Okay, Clockotron update. There's a new feature in Clockotron. It's a video total remaining time monitor that will track videos and give feedback for how much time is remaining on that video, and then allow you to route that back to a text input in Vmix. So here in Vmix, I have two text inputs. I have a video input, then I have a blank input with that video layered, and then just another blank input. So you can see here in Clockotron there's two tabs now. There's a timer tab and then a video tab. The video is going to work straight out of the box, but to assign it, just come down to the drop down menu and assign it to your layer. You can see it's targeted now to input 2. And then when you take any video onto program, it'll know that it's on program. It'll start its own timer in Clockotron and then pull Vmix every second to make sure it stays on track. If you pause, it'll pause. If you play, it'll play. And it also works for, I can just display it here. So we'll take this on a program. So it goes to 0 when there's when there's no video on program. But let's take it on a pipped layer, and it still reads that there's a video on that pip layer. There's a little indicator here. If this is red, it basically means that there's a video playing in program. I'm calling this feature beta. It's in beta right now. So I'll show you. We'll just restart Clockotron. When you connect, you're just presented with a timer, and all the video reader functionality is turned off by default. And to enable it, click View from the menu and toggle Video TRT, and that'll give you the second tab there. Yeah, so that's about it.